We've got the flour, baking powder, and salt. We're using some of our chili and garlic seasoning, about a teaspoonful. 1 egg, make a hollow. We're going to make these Vetkoekies savoury, and we're adding to this our minced Bolognaise sauce. And to get every last little bit out of the bottle, we add a little bit of water, put the lid on, cocktail time. Shake it, add the water. Now you simply mix everything together. Put a cloth under so you can turn the bowl more easily. Everything is mixed together nicely now, and we're aiming for a dropping consistency batter. Now we're ready to fry. You need about 2 centimeters deep oil. And just to make sure that the oil is the right temperature, just put a tiny bit in. You can see it's bubbling, so the oil is 100% fine. If you push them down, they will come out round. If you hold the spoon like that, they'll come out egg shaped. So I'm going to aim to do round ones. Just leave enough room for them to puff up nicely. There's just room for one more. There we are. When they're brown, just give them a gentle turn. They're just about ready now. Nice and brown on the underside. So just take them off, put them on some kitchen paper. Okay kids, kos is op die tafel. Crispy, delicious, ready to eat.